How to change File Explorer to open this PC by default in Windows 11. By default, Windows 11 opens File Explorer to the home view. If you prefer seeing your drives and folders immediately, you probably want it to open to this PC instead. Today, I'll show you how to change that in just a few clicks. First, look at the top menu bar of the File Explorer window. Click on the three horizontal dots located on the far right. From the drop-down menu, click on Options. A small window called Folder Options will appear. Ensure you are on the General tab. Look at the very first option labeled Open File Explorer. Click on the drop-down menu next to it. Select this PC from the list. Click on Apply at the bottom. Then click OK to close the window. Close your current File Explorer window. Now open it again. And it should now launch directly into this PC. So that's how you can change File Explorer to open this PC by default in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.